Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we're going to talk about how to send quotes to clients in Wave. Wave refers to quotes as estimates, and sending them to clients is pretty easy. Here's how to do it. First, you're going to create an estimate as outlined earlier by going to the sales tab and selecting estimate. I did a video before about how to create an estimate, so you can check that video out. And once that's done, you're gonna once your estimate is ready, you're gonna open it up, and then you're gonna click the send button that's on the top right of the screen. Then you're gonna need to enter the client's email address in the email field. You can also add a personalized message to your clients, providing context for the quote or additional instructions. Once that's done, review everything one last time, and when you're ready, click send. Your client will now receive a professional looking quote with all the relevant details, and they can respond accordingly. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you in the next one.